Hey guys, today we're going to react to Skibidi Toilet 72 Part 2. Here we go, like always. Oh, there's G-Man Toilet. Bro, shut your big skibidi ass up, okay? You, stop pinching him like it's St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick isn't over. I mean, it is over. But y'all aren't wearing pink. Man, shut up. Everyone could escape justice. Well, down. Like a betrayal? That's nice. Bro is trying to replace him. Well, damn. Oh, nice helmet you got there. I don't get what this uses all the time. Oh, damn. Oh, no. This is too sad. This is such a boring video. I know, y'all. Man, what are you talking about? Bro, you have the bitches. You have a bitch slap, okay? Again, stop pinching him like it's St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick is over already. Well, damn. Well, damn. Okay. We do not give up. We believe in ourselves. Why are you giving him your power? Ah, smart move. Hey, stop pinching yourself like it's St. Patrick's Day. Besides, you're not wearing pink. I mean green, okay? Well, damn. Bloody. Oh, it targets us. I mean, never mind. Oh, who the hell is that? Oh, who are you? Bro just got meth. Bro just sniffed meth. Oh, there are some heroes here. Very nice, huh? Oh, another hero, and let me guess, the third hero. That's special. Huh. Shut your bitch ass up with that Roblox face. Oh, there's a third hero, I guess. Oh, you just got yourself a new power. Well, damn. Stop it. Bro, this is not St. Patrick's Day, okay? We don't pinch anyone. It's over. That's the end of this video, and I'll see you next time.